Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make whole roasted chicken with vegetables, for which I have already washed the chicken. Now dry it well with a paper towel. Take a small bowl and put 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon thyme and mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil or any cooking oil and mix it well. Now take half lemon and squeeze on both sides of the chicken and rub it very well, just like this. Put half a tablespoon of spice inside the chicken cavity and rub it properly like this. Cut 1 pod of garlic into 2 pieces and put it inside the chicken. Also take half lemon and put inside the chicken. Now apply the mixed spices on both sides of the chicken and rub it well like this so that the spices get absorbed well inside the chicken. Massage the chicken very well on both sides. The better you massage the chicken, the more tender and juicy the chicken will be. Fold the chicken wings inwards in such a way that it does not get burnt. Tighten the chicken leg with a thread like this. Keep the marinated chicken in the fridge for 3 hours or overnight. It will make the chicken tender and juicy. I have taken out the chicken from the fridge and set the oven to preheat at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I have taken 2 carrots, 4 potatoes, 1 onion and half pod of garlic. Cut all the vegetables like this. Cut the onion into 4 pieces like this. Onion gives nice flavor to the vegetables. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon oil and mix it well. Arrange the chicken and vegetables in the baking tray like this. Put the chicken inside the oven for 55 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. After 25 minutes, put aluminium foil on the chicken breast in such a way that chicken does not get burned. After this, we will roast the chicken for another 30 minutes or till it is fully cooked. Now look at this. Our whole roasted chicken with vegetable is ready. Look how tender and juicy the chicken has become. Give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching my video.